Hey there, it's a pleasure to have you here for another exciting episode. Today we will discuss a Muslim without knowledge. So, let's start it. Islam is primarily about knowledge, and after knowledge, it's about action. A person can be a Brahmin without knowledge, because they were born as Brahmin, and they will remain Brahmin. A person can be a Jat without knowledge, because they were born as Jat, and they will remain Jat. However, a person cannot be a Muslim without knowledge. Being a Muslim doesn't come from birth, but from learning and understanding the teachings of Prophet Muhammad. Until someone learns and understands these teachings, how can they have faith and act accordingly? And if they still don't believe after knowing and understanding, how can they be a Muslim? So, it's evident that being a Muslim with ignorance is impossible. Every person born into a Muslim household who wears Muslim attire and calls themselves a Muslim is not necessarily a Muslim. A true Muslim is someone who knows Islam and then consciously believes in it. The real difference between a non-believer, kafir, and a Muslim is not in their names. One might be named Ram and the other Abdullah. The true difference is in their knowledge. The non-believer is someone who doesn't know the relationship between the Creator and His creation, and they don't understand the right way to live in this world according to the Creator's will. If this is the case with a Muslim child, tell me, on what basis do you differentiate between them and a non-believer, and why do you say that one is a non-believer and the other is Salman? Thank you for tuning in and being a part of our journey. Your support means the world to us. Thanks for watching. Join our community of passionate viewers and subscribe today to stay inspired and never miss out on our latest content.